In this lecture, we look at how to manage a stressful situation. Some of the tips and strategies in this lecture are similar to ones covered in the earlier lectures, but we've included them here so you can use this list if you are facing a stressful event or situation. Be well prepared. In your business, it is a good idea to have a contingency plan for unexpected events. For example, not being able to use your offices or a computer crash. To have procedures for different eventualities. For example, a key member of staff is absent from work, and to ensure your staff are well trained to handle stressful situations. In your personal life, you can also think about how you will handle stressful and difficult situations and be prepared for such events. Look after yourself. If you are in good mental and physical shape, you will be more able to handle a stressful situation. So it is important to look after yourself on an ongoing basis, including achieving a good work-life balance, building in relaxation, having fun, eating healthily, exercising, and not getting yourself too tired. Calm yourself down. When you first hear about a stressful event or situation, it is easy to panic and get stressed. Calm yourself down by slowing down your breathing and thinking about how you have overcome similar situations in the past. It may help to move into a different space, for example, outside the office or away from other people, or speak to someone else about the situation so you can think things through. Think positively. When you think positively, you will feel in control and confident. Visualize a positive outcome to the stressful situation and focus on past successes and hurdles that you have overcome. Put things in perspective. When faced with a stressful situation, other people may panic and you may be given inaccurate information, or the severity of the situation may be exaggerated. Therefore, find out as much information as possible about the situation so you can understand what is actually happening. Also, put this situation into context against your business and your life as a whole. Trust your knowledge, experience, and intuition. When dealing with a stressful situation, you can panic and forget to utilize all the knowledge and experience you already have. Remind yourself of the resources you have and trust your knowledge, experience, and intuition to help you handle the stressful situation. Make a plan with all concerned. It is easy to rush straight into taking action, but it is critical to first of all make a plan of what you need to do. This will not only help you to ensure that you have covered all angles, but will also give you something to refer to as you go along. It will also help your team members too. Be decisive. People can get very indecisive when faced with these types of situations, which will be very unhelpful. It is therefore critical to be decisive and take decisions in a considered but timely fashion. Take action. Taking action in itself will calm you and other people down. So once you have your plan, start to take action to resolve the situation. Write things down. When things are stressful, it is inadvisable to have lots of information in people's heads. Write down the plan and ask everyone to write down what they have done. This will help to manage the situation, help people feel in control, make sure nothing is missed, and will also help for learning after the event to understand what was done. Ask for help. Faced with a stressful situation, you may try to handle it on your own. However, you may want to get some help or someone to talk to. This will provide not only practical assistance but also reassurance. Also, if you're working with others, meet regularly and get regular updates so you and everyone has the up-to-date position. In this lecture, the tips and strategies we have covered include: be well prepared, look after yourself, calm yourself down, think positively, put things in perspective, trust your knowledge, experience and intuition, make a plan, be decisive, take action, write things down, ask for help. Take a moment now to add any changes you are going to make to your worksheets. In the next lecture, we will summarise this section of stress management tips and strategies.